Hi, my name is Yo Ying and my matrix number is 205228. In this video, I am going to use the alternate straight plate method to isolate the single colonies from a mixture of culture. So let us start now. The apparatus and material needed in this experiment are alcohol, nutrient broth cultures of a mixture of Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, Bunsen burner, Tropicake soy agar plate, inoculating loops, and glassware marking pencil. This alternative straight plate method involves spreading a loopful of culture over the surface of an agar plate that has the quadrants laid out visibly for quick reference. First of all, label the bottom of the Petri dish with the number of cultures and date. Draw two bisecting lines to divide the agar plate into 4 quadrants and label them with 1 to 4 in counterclockwise directions. After that, flame the loop and cool down for several seconds to avoid the culture being killed. This antiseptic technique is important to prevent the contaminations of other microbes. Transfer a loopful of broth cultures on the surface of quadrant 1. Using the edge of the loop to spread the culture gently through the quadrant 1. We should be careful as not to gouge the agar. After that, turn the Petri dish 90 degrees, reflame and cool the loops. Touch the loop onto an area of quadrant 1. Drag it across the agar into quadrant 2 and repeat twice without flaming. This step is repeated by dragging the loop from quadrant 2 to quadrant 3 and from quadrant 3 to quadrant 4. Reflaming of the loop is used to dilute the culture due to fewer organisms available to be straight into the next quadrant, so the culture will form a single colony at the end. After straightening, cover the agar plates with the cover and incubate it in inverted positions at 25 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hours. Inverted position is important to prevent condensation foam from dropping down onto the surface of the agar. After 48 hours, observe the agar plate to see whether the single colonies have formed or not. Based on this expected result, we can see the decrease in cell from quadrant 1 to quadrant 4 and lead to the formations of individual colonies. A discrete colony represents the multiplications of a single organism. We can identify the colonies based on their appearance such as the form, elevations, pigmentations, and size. In this experiment, the colony of E. coli will appear as white pigmentations whereas S. aureus is yellow in color. By using this straight plate method, the mixed populations of microbes can be isolated into pure cultures for specific use. You may try to isolate the pure cultures through those steps shown in the video. Thank you.